Hi Year 10, how you doing? I hope that you've had a lovely Easter break with your families and that you're all nice and safe in your bubbles. I hope that you've been getting outside and enjoying some fresh air and you haven't been stuck to your devices. Hold on in there, team. This lockdown will be lifted soon and you'll be able to hang out with your mates before you know it. I'm just going to give you a bit of an update about what we're going to be doing in social studies this term. We are going to continue on with our Aotearoa and conflict. So we're going to look at the New Zealand wars, we're going to segue through into World War One, and then we're going to have a look at World War Two briefly before heading off into our next topic. Hopefully by then we'll be back in class, so I'm not going to talk about that topic now. But what are we going to do this week? This week we're going to take a recap of the Battle of Ruapekapeka. So we're going to keep looking at that Northern War. We're then going to move on down and we're going to have a look at the Waikato Wars later on, and then we're going to have a look at why land is so important and what they had to do with all the wars. I find the Waikato War fascinating, and I hope that you guys will find it fascinating too. My expectations with Year 10 Social Studies is that you guys are going to spend between about 30 minutes to an hour a day, or to 45 minutes a day, working on your junior social studies. So in total that is between 2.5 hours and 4 hours of social studies a week. It wouldn't be social studies if we didn't throw current events on in there, so I will make sure that we have some current events quizzes coming our way as well. There will be times where I will schedule a face-to-face catch up with you guys, so we'll hang out in our Google Classroom and Google Meets. We'll be able to have a chat, we'll have a bit of a social talk first, we'll give the first 10 minutes to just having a yarn, seeing what everybody is up to, and then we'll head into looking at the work that we're doing and what it is that, if there are any questions that you may have. But I will post the times for that later. I'm thinking we'll do it in when we usually have social studies period 5. So we'll have a look at our timetables and figure that out soon. In the meantime, enjoy the last day of your holidays, and I will see you all sometime this week. Take it easy.